Hello. In this video, we'll test the data normality, right? So there are different ways to test the data normality. So the most popular test is the one sample case test, right? Okay, so same variable I used in the last video, right? This is uh, the data set of uh, a insurance company, right? How much amount insurance company will charge to you based on these variables, right? Your age, sex, BMI, you're a children or adult, you're a smoker or not, and your region. Based on this variable, they will charge. By the way, we would like to test the data normality. So for to do this, go to the analysis and non-parametric test, and here you will see the legacy dialog, right? So please see here the one sample case test. So click here. So in this one sample case test, just one, two, and this one, three samples I would like to put here, right? The test variable list, and here you will find four test distribution: normal distribution, uniform distribution, Poisson. But right now I would like to test this one. I'm on the normal distribution. The simulation, I don't need to do anything, right? So in the options, you can check it. I mean, the descriptive statistics, I don't need to. Okay, but please be sure exclude cases test by test, right? In the options. Okay, just click the okay. Just wait. It will take some time. Okay, so here you will find this values. I mean, the asymptotic significant two-tailed test, right? So please see all these values, right? So this is the variable 1, variable 2, and here you will find the variable 3. So all the variables are in here, and variables values is less than 0.05, right? So when you will see all the variables are less than 0.05, it means the data is not normally distributed, right? So data is not normally distributed. When the value will be when the significant value will greater than 0.05, then you can say the value is normally distributed, right? So in this way we can test this one. So what is the test name? The test name is, please see here, one sample kolmogorov-smirnov test. Actually, simply we say the one sample case test, right? So in this way, you can test the data normality. Okay. After the next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.